Welcome to www.pansyreport.com. Today's topic, upselling. 3 tips to get you started on upselling. Do you upsell when you sell products? Is upselling a major goal of your internet business? Are you engaging in upselling? If you answered no to any of these questions, then your internet business will struggle to surpass the $100,000 mark. If you want to earn the big bucks like the big internet business players, then you have to upsell. Upselling is not an option. Upselling is one of the fastest and easiest ways to explode your profits. Following is a common question about upselling. Question: will you talk more about upsell pages from an order page? Answer: this is a general question, but I would suggest the following things. Upsell tip number 1. On your upsell page, you want to make sure that the upsells you offer are relevant to what you're offering. It doesn't have to be exactly like your order page, but it should have the same flow. For example, think of Amazon. When you make a purchase, they will say something like, people who bought this also bought this. This suggestion is a great way to approach an upsell. You can suggest complementary products as well. By prompting people in this manner, the customer may realize that they really did need your other products. They just hadn't realized it until you pointed it out. Upsell tip number 2. Here's an advanced strategy. This will help all your marketing online. On your sales letters, you want to embed the order form on the sales letter. You will see a huge increase in your conversion. This enables the customer to easily fill out the order form immediately after they have read the sales letter. This placement also lets the customer review any of the sales letter if they need to. Upsell tip number 3. After a customer orders, they should go to the next page in a one-click process. Upsell tip number 4. In order to increase your upsells, have one-time offers called OTOs. Have a video that explains what you are selling in this one-time offer. This video will increase conversion. Create a button that asks them to click yes if they want to take advantage of this one-time offer, or no if they don't want to. When they click the button yes, then their credit card is already locked in for that order. This will increase your upsell. There are 3 tips to make your upsell process go more smoothly and increase your profits. Apply them to your business today. To find out more information on topics like this, go to www.pansyreport.com.